say you are working as a Power App developer in one IT company and you want to speed up your app development process. Do you have any idea how you can do that? You can say that I will make components and use it in other application. You are right. But what if I tell you that Power App is giving its creator kit? With the help of that, no need to make component by yourself and you can use that component in your Power App. Hi, this is Krupali from Know How Academy. I welcome you all to Power App tutorial. Today in this video, you will learn about the creator kit in Power App. Before going ahead this video, first you will learn why creator kit is required. Second thing, you will learn how you can install Microsoft Power App Creator Kit in your environment. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, let me tell you why Creator Kit is required. As I told you in the beginning that if you want to speed up your application development process, then you need to design components and you need to use that component in your several application. But what if a ready-made component design is available in Power App, and with the help of that you can create your Power App application. So here Power App Creator Kit comes to the picture. This is a ready-made kit which will allow you to use a ready-made component in your Power App. So I hope you understand why you should use Creator Kit in your Power App. Now let me tell you the second thing, how to install Creator Kit in your Power App environment. So for that, what you need to do? So first of all, you should log in into your Power App developer account. And here you need to go to the solution. Now in solution, make sure that you select a correct environment. Okay, here right now I am in my desired environment, and open the new tab and search for Power App Creator Kit and hit enter. Here you will get the first link by the Microsoft. Click on that link and here you will get an idea about what is Creator Kit, how to install Creator Kit and so on. So here you can click here on App Source Offering. So here you can directly add multiple application into that, and from here you can download your Creator Kit in your local computer and then you can upload that Creator Kit in your Power App. So let me download it. So it is downloaded. Now what you need to do, you need to go to the solution and click on import solution. Okay, let me just click here again. Okay, let me just refresh it first. Here it's just not going. So here you need to go to the solution and click on import solution. Here you need to upload that downloaded file which you have downloaded from the Microsoft official website. So click on the browse and upload the zip file. This is creator managed zip. I have already downloaded it. Okay, then click on open and click on next. Then you need to go to the advanced setting and you need to enable the plugin steps and flow include into this solution and click on import. So here your Microsoft Creator Kit is still importing, it is still in progress. So you need to wait at least 5 to 10 minutes to finish its installation. So let's wait. So here my Creator Kit is downloaded. Now if you want to see, here you will see that component library menu is added, and here Power App Creator Kit, that is Sketch component library, is installed. Click on this three dot and go to the edit. So here you can see that these are the ready-made component. This is made by Power App. Now this is the expand menu, then this is the header component, this is a dialog component, then panel component and material component. Now I will tell you that how to use each and every component separately in your Power App in upcoming video. But here in this video I am just showing you how you can download this Power App Creator Kit and use it. And here this is the component library, and right now it is in editing format. Just if you are doing any changes, you need to save it and then you need to publish it. So let me publish this version. Okay, so it is published. Now let's go back to that Power App home page and click on the home. And here I have already created one application, that Creator Kit demo. Let me delete it and create it again, so you will get an idea how you can include that. Okay, so let me click on create, click on the blank app and click on create and search for and so not search for, but give a name, that Demo Creator Kit. Okay, and click on create. So here my app is created. Now what you need to do, you need to click on this plus sign and here click on the get more components. If you click on get more component, here you will see that Power App Creator component library which you have just installed, and here you can add your component in the app. One more thing which I want to tell you is that if you want other source and everything, so search for Power App Creator Kit and click on this again, and here if you scroll down here, app source offering, click on that, and here you need to get it free, that Creator Kit application also. So click on contact me and write your email address because you want to use it. Then you need to click on sign in. Then they will ask you the code and verification code and everything. So I'm adding my phone number for getting verification code. And if you just get it, you will get that verification code in your WhatsApp, and you need to write that code. Let me write it and click on verify. Once you click on verify, then you need to write the reason and everything. You need to describe your phone number which is associated with your Microsoft account, and you can write your use case for what reason you want to use it. For, let's say you want to use for learning purpose, you can write learning purpose and click on contact me. Then they will review your use case and then you will get. Now let me close it, and here they will ask for feedback, and here you need to click on get it now. Then whatever the applications Power App Creator Kit is, that will install. So you need to select your environment. So let's say I want to install it in my test demo environment. So let me just click on that and select that test demo environment. I am selecting my environment, another environment. Why? Because I want to show you, I have already installed it for demo purpose. So let me just show you that I am selecting the another environment and click on install. So that Creator Kit will be installed. Okay. So here you can see that Creator Kit installing. Okay. So you need to wait at least 10 minutes for the update. So my Power App Creator Kit is installed. Once it is installed, you will see that here the Creator Kit reference app, Fluent UI template app, Creator Fluent UI canvas template, everything you will see here in that. So let me just open that Creator Kit canvas template, click on edit. So here they are saying that Creator Kit may contain some code that may be unsafe, but we are believing it is safe. So click on open an app, and here you can see that this is the ready-made template they are given to you, and you can go to the different screen and see the ready-made design, and just you can start creating your app functionality. So here these are the ready-made templates which is available in your Creator Kit, and you can start using it. Okay, so as per your requirement you can use Creator app. And also if you go back, let me click on save, and here you can just see that Creator Kit reference app. So this is model driven app, and you can see that this is the ready-made design of it, and you just need to just set the source and everything, and then your app is ready. And here you need to click on allow. Just wait, load everything and click on allow. So whatever data is there, it will be loaded. Okay, so here you can see that the different menus are there, navigation and everything is there. So this way you can install Creator Kit in your Power App Developer account. Before ending this video, let me tell you what you have learned from this video. First thing, you have learned why creator kit is needed. Second thing, you have learned how to install Creator Kit in your Power App developer account. Thank you for choosing Know How Academy as a source of your IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate to the tech world. If you have any question, do not feel hesitate to reach out us. Stay curious, keep learning.